Hello everyone, how are you doing? I trust you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to talk about, can I learn cybersecurity in 3 months? And that's the question most beginners ask, people who have absolute no knowledge about cybersecurity. Is this something I should try? Can I learn cybersecurity in just 3 months? In this video, we're going to explain what it takes to become a cybersecurity analyst in just 3 months and why you should embark on cybersecurity. My name is David Oshin, the CEO of GT Concept, an award-winning IT training and development company in Africa. Our specialty includes cybersecurity, cloud computing, data analysis, digital marketing, software development, and so much more. In this video, we're going to have a breakdown on the cybersecurity analyst course and why you should go for it if you actually have the intention of learning cybersecurity. So the good question now is, can I learn cybersecurity in 3 months? No. Cybersecurity is very, very broad that you cannot learn it in 6 months, in 1 year, or 2 years. But what can you do? You can learn a specific job role in cybersecurity in 3 months. So what you need to do as a beginner is to learn the foundation of cybersecurity. Once you understand the foundation of cybersecurity, then you specialize in a specific job role or a specific role in cybersecurity. And that is how you should start to shorten your journey. And in this course, I'm going to explain to you the essentials it takes to become a cybersecurity analyst in 3 months from an absolute beginner. So you'll be learning the foundation of cybersecurity. You learn the specific skills and tools, both technical skills that you need to have. You need to learn about the CM dashboards, that's the Security Incident and Event Management dashboards. You're going to learn about the tools that you're needing in cybersecurity. You're going to learn about SQL, you're going to learn about Linux, and you're going to learn about Python programming language to automate tasks. You're going to learn how to handle threats and vulnerabilities. You're going to learn about compliance in cybersecurity. We're going to learn about how to monitor traffic and all of the basic things you need for a day-to-day role in your job as a cybersecurity analyst. So this is the specific job role we are training you for, to become a cybersecurity analyst. So it means that after these 3 months, you can pick up an entry-level role as a cybersecurity analyst. So this is a very good course you need to have, and in just 3 months, we're going to start from the foundation, and by the time you are ending 3 months, you have a capstone project, and you will learn all that it takes to become a professional cybersecurity analyst for an entry-level job. And we're going to help you also to fast track your entry into the cybersecurity world by giving you tips and career development tips, knowing how to prepare for interviews, revamping your CV, and even opening you up to job opportunities that you could have in cybersecurity. So this is a very good course that once you finish, you can be so sure that you're getting your first cybersecurity job. So I believe that you have learned a whole lot about it. Remember, cybersecurity is very broad that you can't learn it in 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. And that's one mistake people used to make. You just come into cybersecurity and start reading all through and learning all through. At the end of the day, you get frustrated because it keeps expanding and expanding. And you can't even apply for a job because you don't have a specific set of skills that is needed for the job. So in this course, you're going to learn a specific set of skills that you need to become a cybersecurity analyst. The job role, a day in the life of a cybersecurity analyst. What will you be doing? What are the things expected of you? This and more you'll be learning. And sure, it's going to be very, very, very interesting. You can't afford to miss it. Thank you and bye for now.